Pump up a 260 balloon about 1/2 to 3/4 of the way. I prefer using a 160 balloon to make the antennae because it's thinner, but if all you have is a 260 balloon, you could use that as well. Fold the 160 in half and put your pointer finger in the fold. Then push the 160 into the 260 and grab it through the balloon with your other hand. Pull your finger out of the balloon and twist the 160 into the bubble. This should be a 2-finger bubble. Then make 6 1-finger bubbles. If the balloon feels too tight, simply squeeze the section of the balloon you want to twist into a bubble. This will soften it. Twist the 6 1-finger bubbles into a ring shape. These will be the ladybug's feet. Make one more bubble with the remainder of the balloon. This bubble shouldn't be longer than the ladybug's back legs because it needs to be able to squeeze through that hole in the ring of 1-finger bubbles. This is what the ladybug should look like so far. Cut off the end of the balloon and let it deflate. Then wrap the deflated part of the balloon around one of the back legs in order to prevent the rest of the balloon from deflating. Then wrap the end of the deflated part around one of the front legs. This will form the bracelet part of the ladybug. Cut off half of the antennae so they will stand up straight. Use a black Sharpie to draw on the eyes and the mouth. Draw a line down the back of the ladybug to form the wings. Then draw some polka dots. If it's Valentine's Day and you want to make a love bug instead of a ladybug, simply draw hearts instead of polka dots. In order to make this ladybug, you will need a pump, a Sharpie, scissors, a 160 or 260 balloon for the antennae, and a 260 balloon for the body. If you'd like to get the pump or the balloons on Amazon, I will put links in the description below.